Spocket Dropshipping Review 2 to 3 days shipping, the honest review. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing Spocket.co, which is a dropshipping supplier, and I'm going to tell you guys all my honest thoughts about Spocket. So let's get into it. Now, I have done a lot of things with dropshipping. Dropshipping became popular quite a few years back. After like 2 3 years ago, dropshipping was really at its peak. Currently, it's at its peak right now as well, but it's pretty saturated now. But I started dropshipping quite a while ago, and I started with Chinese suppliers. And after that, I've seen a lot of different applications like Spocket and other applications as well that have made it easier to start a dropshipping business with their own simple setups where you can source products and sell them on your store. And they have available integrations like BigCommerce, Shopify, Flex, Wix, Ecwid, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Squarespace, SquareUp, Alibaba, and AliExpress. So you can integrate any one of your e-commerce stores that you've made on these platforms with Spocket to get started with your actual dropshipping business. And everyone knows what dropshipping is. It's when you source products from a third party. When someone orders it from your website, you just get a commission, and the supplier directly ships it to the customer, and you don't have to, incur any kind of storage costs, shipping costs, all that. All that is just dealt by the actual supplier and the person that has ordered. You're just like a middleman between the two. And one of the best parts about dropshipping is that how it is a profitable business without having to invest any money. But with these platforms like Spocket, you have to pay a subscription fee to get started for most platforms. So if you want access to any of their actual tools, you have to get started with their different plans for a certain price. And you need to really consider, is it going to be worth it for you to actually get started for free using a Chinese supplier, or paying for it, like paying like 30 to 40 bucks every month for a premium platform like Spocket? Well, I have used Spocket for quite a while, and I have a Wix store integrated with Spocket as well, just to try out and see what Spocket is really like in terms of product quality, in terms of overall general usability, and the 2 to 3 day shipping time that they provide. Now, first off, Spocket prides itself on the 2 to 3 day shipping time, and that is actually very true. If you have products from the US or EU on Spocket, you can see within the United States, you have 1 to 3 day shipping, 4 to 7 day shipping. It's usually shipping within like 2 weeks, under 2 weeks, or even just 1 week. And some products obviously have longer shipping times, but a lot of times you can find amazing products, let's say in the women's clothing category, whatever category you pick, with a very short supply time. So if having a very short supply time, if you have customers that are looking for products very fast, you want them to be able to receive their products very fast, then definitely Spocket is going to provide you with fast options that are going to be delivered within the United States very easily and very fast. It would be a very quick delivery. Now, if you scroll down over here, then you also have the shipping time for Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and some other countries, some other regions as well. And some suppliers only ship to the United States, some ship to other places as well. But you can see that for the United States, you can find quick shipping. So if you are looking to establish your drop shipping business within the United States, if you're primarily focusing on US customers, then this is going to be a good application for you. But there are certain drawbacks to using Spocket as well. These are that you're going to be paying a higher cost for these products. You can see over here that the listing price that they have added is $5.15 over here. So it's just a flamingo face mask. Now, for a product like this, I wouldn't pay $5. The reason for that is I would usually sell these kinds of products at $5, and I would buy them for a lower price, because at retail price of $11, I don't think a lot of people are going to be interested in my product. Although it is a great product, I think it's okay. It's not like a bad product. I'm not saying that, but it is slightly overpriced, because if I go on to a more popular supplier like Alibaba or AliExpress, so if we go on to Alibaba, which is a very popular platform for dropshipping, or you can just go on to AliExpress, because Alibaba is currently not working. So I'm just going on to Alibaba over here. So if I just go on to Alibaba, or So over here on AliExpress, Alibaba is primarily for suppliers. So if you're looking to buy in stock, like if you're looking to buy larger stock or deal in larger sales, then you can go on Alibaba or AliExpress, whatever you prefer. And if I search for flamingo face mask, so I'm going to look for something that is as similar to the product that we saw on Spocket. So this is the product of Spocket, and we're going to just take a look at the different options available over here. So these are other kinds of face masks. We are looking for flamingo face mask. So you can see over here, there are similar kind of face masks. These are not exactly identical. These are printed differently, but I'm pretty sure I can find something in a flamingo print as well if you look hard enough. So I'm just going to search for flamingo printed face. So you can see over here. So you can see this is like a children's mask, but you can also find these in adult sizes as well. And if you take a look over here, you have these face masks selling for 0.03 or 0.02. And if we go on to AliExpress and search for flamingo as well, so we are just going to take a look at AliExpress as well. And we're just going to take a look. So you can see there are quite a few different options. I can't find something exactly similar, but if you do upload images, you can find exact similar replicas as well. But you can see in general, the face mask cost, if I just search for printed face mask, you will better understand. So printed face mask. So you can see that if you just take a look at the cost of masks, it's going to be very different. It's usually under $1 to $2, while on Pocket they are going to try to sell you this for $1.15. And obviously you are paying for convenience, but it is going to be difficult to convince a customer that you are going to be selling a $12 face mask and that $12 per plus shipping is going to be a good deal on a mask like this. So that is why I do recommend that you double check the prices on Spocket. That is one of the major things that I tell most people, is that whenever you are going to start a dropshipping business, one of the major things with any dropshipping business is that you need to source products that are good quality, that are good products, interesting products that have low costs. Because if you are the one that is already paying a marginal fee for convenience, then your customers can probably do that as well. They are going to be far more likely to go onto these supplier platforms and just order directly if you have super high prices, if you don't have correct marketing as well. So marketing is very essential with using Spocket as well, because if you're not marketing your product correctly, then you are going to be at a loss at a platform like Spocket. And if you take a look at your orders and products, one thing I do like about Spocket is that if you go onto your orders and messages, you can really customize packaging, customize labels onto your Spocket product as well. And usually the suppliers that you're going to be talking to on Spocket are really a lot more friendly and can better understand what you're trying to say to them, what you want from the product they're going to be selling onto your customers. So that is one thing that is going to be really helpful for Spocket as well. Now, just to wrap it up, I find that Spocket is good. The free version is obviously not actually usable. You will have to go to the $24.99 starter version, almost $25. So you're going to have to start by paying $25 to get access to 25 unique products. I personally would not use it. Why? I would suggest you should put in some of the extra grit work and look for your products yourself on supplier platforms directly and find a simple way to communicate with your suppliers rather than paying a premium over here, because you're going to be paying like $30 or $50 on the Pro version or even $100 on the Empire version for Pocket, and then you're going to be incurring other costs as well. So it would be a lot more helpful if you just put in some extra work and worked off of these platforms. But I still do think that the platform is okay if you don't want to spend extra time, if you don't want to do extra work and you're just looking to start a simple dropshipping business, maybe you just want to sell some t-shirts and just to check it out, maybe it might be a good option, but for long-term use, I don't recommend it. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.